Welcome to this tutorial on the essential course requirements for online, hybrid, blended, and MyChoice courses at CVTC. This guide will help you ensure that a course meets the necessary requirements and provides a consistent, high-quality learning experience for students. Online hybrid, blended, and MyChoice CVTC courses are required to have essential course LMS requirements and the following elements. Overview and information. This includes the homepage and learning guides. Each course should have a clearly designed homepage that may follow a program or department template or CVTC template using Design Plus. This creates a welcoming and intuitive entry point for students, setting the tone for the course. Next, in modules, check that each module has a learning guide. A learning guide provides a clear agenda, intuitive schedule, or a clear module-level overview. Students should understand the flow of learning tasks in a module without confusion. An instructor can use the CVTC template that includes a module overview, competencies, learning materials used in that module, list of assignments and assessments. Please note that these are not linked, so students will navigate through the module by using the Next button. Technology and tools. Ensuring accessibility and clear instructions for technology tools is vital. Requisite skills for using websites, software, or hardware should be clearly stated. For example, if a course requires the use of Zoom, students must be informed about the skills they'll need, along with tutorials or resources to help them. Also, instructors can add pre-built content blocks in Design Plus that contains essential resources and step-by-step instructions for developing the requisite skills needed for success. For example, in this assignment, you'll see a content block that demonstrates how to upload an assignment. The introduction of technology tools in a course should be scaffolded appropriately. This means students should have opportunities to practice using tools before being assessed on their skills. For example, in this formative, the student was asked to watch a video and practice using the tool from a tutorial on the Design Plus Accessibility Checker before they apply it in their whole course. Every page, after building or edited, should be checked to ensure that all technology tools and resources meet accessibility standards. Every tool used should support the diverse needs of students, including those with disabilities. Two tools are available for checking accessibility. The first is Canvas's built-in accessibility checker, which can be found at the bottom of the Edit window after selecting the Edit button on a page. The second tool is available in Design Plus and can be accessed when the page is in edit mode. Open the Rocket. This accessibility tab scans for potential accessibility issues, such as insufficient color contrast, missing alt text, or improper heading structures, and provides easy-to-follow suggestions for improvement. It also checks links, mathematical content, and tables, as well as external assets, to ensure that all students can access the course materials. Course content and activities. Now let's take a look into course content and activities, which should be dynamic, engaging, and varied. Look for a diverse range of tasks that cater to different learning styles. The assignments should involve not just reading or lectures, but also hands-on activities, problem-solving, project-based learning, and engaging discussions that encourage deeper understanding and collaboration among students. As you can see in this course, it has a variety of assessments. It's essential that the content links back to real-world applications of the discipline. For example, this assignment serves as a real-world application by requiring instructors to actively assess and adapt their teaching strategies in a way that mirrors professional practices in education. Just as educators in the field must continuously evaluate their course content and instructional methods to meet diverse student needs, this activity prompts instructors to critically analyze their competencies and ensure alignment with broader educational goals. All content should follow a consistent format, making it easier for students to navigate and comprehend. This means clear headings, accessible document formatting, and descriptive hyperlinks that make sense out of context. Avoid vague phrases like "click here." Instead, use text that describes the link's destination, such as activity mapping template. Consistent formatting can be evaluated through the module layout by examining the headings used throughout. It is also essential that headings are uniform across pages. Templates can assist in achieving this consistency, and the heading checker in Design Plus is a useful tool for ensuring proper formatting. Additionally, the accessibility checker in Design Plus will review links and overall usability, providing further assurance that your course materials are accessible and well organized. Interaction. Next, we'll assess the interaction within the course, focusing on both instructor and student engagement. Instructors should maintain a strong presence throughout the course. This includes regularly posting announcements, providing personalized feedback, and being available through office hours. Look for consistent use of tools like Canvas announcements and design plus visual enhancements to keep students informed and engaged. Instructors should actively use Canvas's message students who feature found in Gradebook and Canvas Analytics to target specific student needs. This ensures that no student falls behind without the instructor's awareness and intervention. A healthy amount of student-to-student interaction is also crucial. This can be facilitated through discussion boards, group projects, or peer reviews, so it's important to look for these collaborative elements in a course to ensure that students have ample opportunities to engage with one another, share diverse perspectives, and deepen their understanding of the material. In this course, students are engaging in discussions, participating in interactive brainstorming sessions, and collaborating on annotated articles. Design and layout. Let's now focus on the design and layout of the course, which impacts student navigation and comprehension. Courses should be organized in a logical, consistent manner. This means using the same color scheme and icons throughout the course, grouping related content together, and giving self-evident titles to all materials and sections. For instance, this course effectively employs a consistent theme and identical icons across the learning guides, contributing to a cohesive learning experience. Large blocks of information should be divided into manageable sections. This improves readability and prevents students from feeling overwhelmed. Design Plus tools can help structure content to make it more digestible. For example, tabs are utilized in this course to organize information, making it easier for students to navigate without feeling inundated. Also, where possible, information should be displayed in a linear format rather than in tables, which can be harder for students to follow, especially on mobile devices. Assessment and feedback. Lastly, we'll evaluate the assessments and feedback, ensuring they promote student learning. There should be a good mix of formative assessments, which help students learn and practice, and summative assessments, which evaluate their mastery of competencies. Tasks should align with both course and program outcomes. Review the course for a variety of assessments as demonstrated here, ensuring that each assessment corresponds with the course competencies. Feedback should be provided promptly and be tailored to each student's performance. It is important to review the course for an updated gradebook that allows students to monitor their progress, as well as clear rubrics that promote transparency in the grading process. Lastly, the course should include opportunities for students to provide feedback on their learning experience, allowing instructors to make continuous improvements based on student input. Ensure that the instructor is actively utilizing and reflecting on smart evals for gathering and reflecting on student feedback. Refer back to EdTech Training and Resources Essential Course LMS Requirement Module for extra support and training. Contact edtech@cvtc.edu with any questions.